guys, last week we spoke about shoulder strengthening and we talked about anterior, lateral and rear delts. Today we're going to talk about scapular strengthening because that's also super important in order to maintain a good shoulder strength for handstands or anything else. So the first one is called the banded pull-aparts. Just hold the band right in front of you. Make sure it's tight enough, not too loose as you start. And keep your shoulders at shoulder height. Pull the band all the way apart as much as you can to bring your scapular together, and then slowly release it back. A few more times, all the way back. I'm feeling it in my scapular region right now. Shoulders retracting. All the way up and back. And this one is for protraction strength. Just wrap the band around you that goes behind your back and push the band all the way forward, getting into protraction. Now your shoulder blades are away from each other, going away from each other, and then bring it back. And then again, push them away from each other, back. This can also be done in plank position with the band or without, and I'm going to show you both variations. Similar to the one being upright, same thing, retract your shoulders, bring your shoulder blades together and then push them away from each other as much as you can. Again, one more time, shoulder blades close to each other and then away from each other, all while your elbows are straight. The whole time the elbows are straight and locked. Retract, protract, retract, protract. And while you're doing this, make sure your pelvis is not dropping down. The only thing that moves is your scapular region. Shoulder blades together and shoulder blades apart from each other.